today in this incredible opportunity to be with you all and to be with Farah. So I thought we would start just quickly with asking Farah, what was the spark that began her journey with this film?
With this film?
With this film.
Well, at that point, I think I was the most, I'm not being immodest.
No.
I was the most happening choreographer because Chaya Chaya had just happened. And you know, I was doing all the big movies. And when Rakesh sir called me, he said he's launching his son. It was not as exciting as doing a movie with Shah Rukh or something. But that, of course, all changed the minute we rehearsed with Hrithik.
Right.
You know, and of course Rakesh sir was a very big director and I loved all his movies. So when he asked me whether I would do the whole film, it was a no-brainer. But I was like, okay, he's launching his son. You know, how good can it be? How good can his son be? But the music was fantastic. And as we started doing songs, I realized what a gold mine I had in my hands. You know.
Yes, so you didn't know that Hrithik had the skills
No,
before
actually,
it started?
we didn't know Hrithik. I mean, the first song we choreographed was Pyar Ki Kashti Mein. You're all familiar with that song, right? Yeah. On the boat. So that character in the movie is a very timid boy and shy boy. So we were giving him very normal dance moves to do, and he was doing it good enough, not bad. You know, it's later when we came to Dil Walo, Dil Mera, that song. We actually shot that song before Ek Pal Ka Jeena. So in that song, we heard something for him, and then we were getting bored. So I told my assistant that, you know, this boy will come in and he's very shy. So we'll do a very intricate and complicated piece of choreography and we'll show it to him as a prank, and then we tell him, now you have to do this, and then he'll get really scared and we'll have a good laugh. But the laugh was on us because my assistant showed him, you know, that whole choreography in one shot, that ding, 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 and tish. He does that whole, it's a long piece of choreography. So my assistant showed him that, and now we're all waiting and saying now he's going to get like we say in Hindi, abhi phategi. So, but that didn't happen because he saw it once, twice, and then the third time he did the whole thing. And we were like, what the hell, what happened? We've got Michael Jackson here, you know. So basically I told him, now go home for 2 days. And we changed the entire choreography because we realized that, oh my God, can this guy dance? Yeah. And so we then made it even more complicated, and like, obviously before that, heroes weren't dancing like this. You know, they were dancing, they were, I mean, good enough. There was Salman, there was Shah Rukh, there was Amir, but no one was dancing like Hrithik. So as a choreographer, I got like really excited about it. And the rest, as we know, is history. Hrithik and me always say, even when we die at a funeral, they'll be doing this step.
Amazing.